Hey guys, Harris here with iDownload Blog. Wireless chargers come in many forms and fashions, but few really emphasize the fashion aspect because they're more utility than form. But this is the Ion Wireless Plus Fast Charger Qi charging pad, that's just the name, for any wireless charging capable device. It's 10 watt compatible for devices that support it, such as the Samsung Galaxy S9, or 7.5 watts for the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and 10, which is the maximum charge speed available since the iOS 11.2 update, so you will be getting the fastest wireless charging speeds possible on your iPhone. And this is possible because of the 18 watt USB-C input, which is located on the back, which can charge, as I said, a Qualcomm 3 device at 10 watts or an iPhone at 7.5 watts. And the icing on the cake, it can also charge another device at 5 watts simultaneously using the additional USB port on the back. Or if you're only using the back ports and you're not using wireless charging, then you can get 12 watts out of it, so you can use it to charge something like an iPad, or you can simply use it to charge your Apple Watch or AirPods, whenever you need. It's nice to have an additional USB port. So the charger comes in 3 colors, and they're all really nice, and they consist of a plastic body wrapped in a color matching heather fabric, which looks and feels really nice. It's got a nice texture, a nice look, kind of like a canvas backpack. 4 rubber circles are on the bottom for gripping a table, followed by a ring up top for grip, as well as a little bit of style, and you know exactly where to place your phone. And it will work in pretty much any angle that you lay your phone down, in any position, and it will charge pretty quickly. There is an LED up front that activates white when charging, but thankfully it is not bright enough to be bothersome at night. In terms of charge speed, even with this being the faster 7.5 watts, unfortunately it's still not going to be fast. Definitely a nice overnight rig for something that's easy and simple. You don't have to bother with the cable, or something that you just want to throw on quickly. In an hour, it can get me from about 10% to about 50-51%. That's on my iPhone 10. I haven't been able to test it on the iPhone 8 or 8 Plus, but it's likely going to be a little bit faster on the 8, a little bit slower on the 8 Plus, just in terms of battery size. And the price point comes in right around where most of these chargers do that have the 7.5 watt support, and the fact that it does come with the USB-C cable and the power outlet is a nice bonus. It looks really nice. It's going to look nice on your desk. It's going to look nice on your nightstand, wherever you want to put it, and it comes in some nice colors as well, and it is the fastest available charger for your iPhone. So for the price point, I would recommend this charger. It's nice that it has a USB port built in, and it is stylish. Again, some of the big brands out there will charge a little bit more for a very similar one, and it won't look as good as this. So if you're in the market for a wireless charger for your iPhone, or even for your Android phone, because it will work just as well and just as quickly with that, with Qualcomm QuickCharging 3 equivalents, you'll still be able to get fast charging on any device that you have. So if you're looking for something that is stylish as well as functional, because it does still charge quickly, and again, that USB port on the back, then I would recommend this. And if you want to check it out, I will leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check out iDownloadblog.com, and I'll catch you in the next one.